Hey you guys, hopefully you can hear me. I want to do a real quick one today. I want to show you something on this vehicle that I'm working on. If you guys followed me for any length of time, I said you probably recognize this vehicle. I'm sure you've seen it before. But it is, this is sunny out. One of my maintenance customers. It's Ford F450. So hopefully you can hear me out here because a lot of traffic and I don't have my mic on. But I've had customers tell me, oh, the vinyl floors, they must be so easy to clean. They're not. It's not any faster. It's not, and a lot of times it's not any easier to clean. And I'll show you why. Because even though if I can go through this and vacuum it out, I still have to come back. Something like that would have gotten vacuumed up if this was a carpet flooring. So all that needs to be all cleaned up. So now I have to cut, after I came in here and I vacuumed real quick just to get, you know, the loose debris and stuff. Now I got to come back and I got to clean up. So just because it's vinyl doesn't mean you can just, it's easy to clean. And obviously I don't want to go in there with a hose and just spray it all out. That's kind of, if it was a work truck and it was my personal truck, yeah, okay. But I don't want to, there's still underlayment underneath that vinyl. There's still some dead material, and if that stuff, if there's a hole in there somewhere and water gets in there and it's just going to sit in there, it's not going to dry, and then you're going to have mold and mildew issues, and we don't want any of that. So but I just thought it was something kind of funny. I was just thinking about it and thought I'd throw it out there. But like I said, they're not any easier to clean than a carpet. Occasionally during the summer months, now that we're heading into winter, that's going to get a whole lot worse. It's going to be a lot more salt and dirt and debris and slush and whatever in there. It is a little bit easier to, it is easy to clean out as opposed to cleaning it out of trying to get it out of a carpet. It never, you know, is how it gets all crusty and hard and it embeds itself into the fibers of the carpeting. Can't do that obviously in this truck, but it you know, it's still, you still got to clean it up. So just thought I'd throw it out there. Just thought it'd be a fun video to see. So I got to get back on this thing. So I will see you guys on the next one. Take care.